Question number 1. Cyanobacteria are photosynthetic bacteria that are also known as red algae, green algae, brown algae, blue-green algae. Correct answer is option D, blue-green algae. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a method of controlling microbial growth? Fermentation, antibiotics, sterilization, antiseptic. Correct answer is option A. Fermentation is the not method of controlling microbial growth. Question number 3. The process by which virus acquire their outer envelope by budding from the host cell is known as attachment, egress, replication, exocytosis. Correct answer is option B, egress. Question number 4. Which of the following is a viral disease that affects the liver and can lead to symptoms such as jaundice and liver failure? Influenza, Ebola, measles, hepatitis. Correct answer is option D, hepatitis. Question number 5. The polymerase chain reaction PCR requires the use of which enzyme? Ligase, DNA polymerase, reverse transcriptase, RNA polymerase. Correct answer is option B, DNA polymerase. Question number 6. The process by which bacteria take up free DNA from the environment and incorporate into their own genome is called replication, transduction, conjugation, transformation. Correct answer is option D, transformation. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a type of bacterial shape? Alga, Bacillus, Coccus, Spirillum. Correct answer is option number B, Bacillus. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a method of fungal reproduction? Spore forming, budding, fragmentation, binary fission. Correct answer is option D, binary fission. Question number 9. Which of the following is responsible for the fermentation process in bread making and beer brewing? Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Escherichia coli, Aspergillus niger. Correct answer is option A, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Question number 10. Which of the following is an example of gram-positive bacteria? Salmonella enterica, Escherichia coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Staphylococcus aureus. Correct answer is option D, Staphylococcus aureus. Question number 11. The process of growing microorganisms in controlled environment such as laboratory is called inoculating, culturing, staining, fermentation. Correct answer is option B, culturing. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a method of bacterial motility? Pili, gliding motility, flagella, cilia. Answer is option A, pili. Question number 30. Which of the following types of bacteria can survive in extreme environments such as hot springs or deep sea hydrothermal vents? Thermophiles, psychrophiles, acidophiles, halophiles. Answer is option A, thermophiles. Question number 40. The process by which a virus integrates its genetic material into host cell's DNA and become dormant is called replication, lysis, lysogeny, transcription. Correct answer is option A, replication. Question number 50. The bacterial shape that is long and rod shape is known as Vibrio, Cocci, Spirilla, Bacilla. Correct answer is option D, Bacilli. Question number 60. The bacterial shape that is spherical or round in shape is known as Spirilla, Bacillus, Vibrio, Cocci. Correct answer is option D, Cocci. Question number 17. The process by which bacteria divide into two daughter cells is called conjugation, budding, binary fission, fragmentation. Correct answer is option C, binary fission. Question number 80. The process by which bacteria obtain energy by oxidizing inorganic compounds rather than organic compounds is called denitrification, chemotaxis, fermentation, lithotropy. Correct answer is option D, lithotropy. 90. Which of following is a common bacterial infection that causes inflammation of their air sacs in lungs? Tetanus, tuberculosis, E. coli infection, pneumonia. Correct answer is option D, pneumonia. Question number 20. Which of the following is a bacterial infection commonly transmitted through contaminated food and water, causing severe diarrhea and abnormal cramps? Listeriosis, mumps, E. coli infection, tetanus. Correct answer is option C, E. coli infection.